I'm Elana Horwich, and I wrote Meal into Spiel, How to Be a Badass in the Kitchen, because I want you to be a confident, intuitive cook. I've been a teacher my entire life, and I lived in Italy for 5 years, where I learned the secrets from the Italians. And I teach you all of my secrets in this book. I even explain how and why recipes work so that you don't need cookbooks, not even my cookbook. Do you think you're the one person who's incapable of cooking? Let me prove you wrong. This is the book for you. There's even a section called Easy Enough for Schlemazels. It's Yiddish for someone who can't cook. I'm gonna make you laugh, and you're gonna feel me holding your hand while you read the book. Plus, we can all experience more dolce vita in our lives while staying healthy and not gaining weight. Meal into Spiel will be the last cookbook you will ever need.